Hey fantastic you, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are gonna do a black and white painting today. Never done one, so this should be fun and interesting. We've got Liquitex paints, so titanium white and Mars black, hence our white and black. I'm gonna use this 4-chamber split cup and I'm gonna put the colors in white, black, white, black. So I'll get that done and then I'll bring you back, okay? Okay, all filled up. So let's move this to the side. We'll bring in our canvas. We are going to be doing a 12-inch square canvas. Get that centered. So I have mixed the paint, altogether 400 grams of mixed paint, 200 each color. And then I've mixed them 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. The pouring medium is 70% glue all, 30% glue. I use that mixture ratio when I want the paint just to be a little thicker. So we're gonna do a ring pour, and it may or may not turn into a wandering pour. My arm, when I'm doing this, tends to have a mind of its own. But I am gonna slowly move the canvas around. I'm gonna go clockwise, yeah. Circles are not clean circles. I probably had too much coffee today. But it might give us an interesting pattern. So hopefully I've made the paint thick enough that we don't get a lot of gray. Almost done here. I can't believe how bad my circles are. I guess too much coffee. That's what I'm gonna blame it on. Almost done. Just trying to finish it off nicely. Easier said than done. There. Okay, I'm gonna give it a quick torch. Couple bubbles. Okay, let's spin this out and see what we got. I'm gonna leave the center as is because I wanted it to be a little messy. Make sure that we're centered. We're slightly off-centered, but that is okay. Just going over. I've got 2 sides, 3 sides over. Wow, that was a good spin. Now our last side is going over. Don't want to spin too hard because I don't want, one, to spin it off my cake turner, and two, I don't want mixing of the black and white. I don't want gray. My last spin did shift my canvas, so I will spin from the bottom. Definitely looking black and white, happy with that. I'm gonna give it another quick torch. Okay, that should be good. Another spin. We're getting close to those corners. So yeah, altogether 400 grams of mixed paint, more than enough for a 12-inch square canvas. But because I'm spinning it out, it takes a little longer to get to the corners, so you lose more paint. Yeah, really liking how the black and the white are staying separated. Oh, we're so close to be going over on the 4 corners. A couple more spins and we should be good. And we just got a couple millimeters. Well, I might have to help it along onto the corners. I didn't really want to, but not listening. Okay, let's see if that will do the trick. That definitely has helped a little bit. I'll do a couple more spins off camera, but I think we got a pretty good idea of how this is gonna look. So I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit. So there we go, all zoomed in. I think it looks pretty good. Very happy with the definitions between the white and the black. I've got minimal gray showing. It's more on the edges, and that's just the paint falling over. So there's not much you can do about that. But I'm very happy with this one. I'm pretty sure I'll do another black and white pour, maybe a different pouring technique, maybe a flip cup or something. But for now, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.